In construction, rigging refers to the use of mechanical equipment to lift, move, and position heavy loads. Lifting can be categorized into standard lifting. Lifting less than 40 tons using a single crane. Critical lifting examples include any lifting more than 40 tons. Tandem lifting, which is lifting using 2 or more cranes for a single heavy load, lifting during the night, and lifting over the hydrocarbon. Safety measures for rigging and lifting are crucial to prevent accidents and ensure the safe handling of loads. Here are some key guidelines. 1. Training and certification. Ensure that all personnel involved are properly trained with third-party certification, especially riggers and crane operators. There are 3 types of riggers. Rigger 1 performs all liftings including critical lifting, Rigger 2 can handle lifts up to 40 tons, and Rigger 3 can only perform lifting up to 10 tons. Lifting plan provides a systematic approach towards planning a lift and ensures that the lifting operation is properly managed. A lifting plan would ensure that the crane is safely deployed and operated, and the lifting crew are clear about their roles and responsibilities. Such a plan is especially mandatory for any critical lifting operations. Lifting plan is usually prepared by the engineering team and Rigger 1. Develop a detailed lift plan that includes the lifting sequence, equipment, and safety measures. Ensure that all personnel are familiar with the lift plan. A critical lift plan should be in place for any critical lifting. Clear the lifting area of any obstructions and ensure a stable surface for lifting operations. Mark off the area to keep unauthorized personnel away. Lifting radius or risk of impact should be barricaded and only authorized personnel are allowed to enter into the lifting zone. And no personnel, including riggers inside the barricading, must not be under the suspended load at any case. Regularly inspect all rigging and lifting equipment, including slings, hooks, chains, and cranes, for wear and damage. Daily pre-shift inspection by the crane operator is of utmost importance. Use equipment only if it is in good condition and has a valid inspection certificate. Ensure third-party certification of crane and rigging gears. Generally, in the Middle East, ASME or the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, standard is to be followed. Third-party inspection of cranes should be done every 3 months and rigging gears every 6 months. Ensure proper internal preventive maintenance system is in place for crane and rigging gears. Wear appropriate PPE such as hard hats, gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots. Avoiding overloading is crucial. Never exceed the rated capacity of the lifting equipment or rigging gear. Use load indicators and other tools to monitor the load weight. Monitoring during lifts is essential. Continuously monitor the load and equipment during the lift. Be prepared to stop operations immediately if any issues arise. Environmental considerations are important. Take into account weather conditions such as wind and rain, which could affect lifting operations. No lift should be done if wind velocity is more than 32 kilometers per hour. Emergency procedures are crucial. Establish and practice these procedures in case of equipment failure or accidents. It's important to ensure that first aid and emergency response equipment are readily available. Load assessment is a key step in ensuring safety. Assess the weight and center of gravity of the load. Make sure that the lifting equipment and rigging gear can handle the weight and type of load. Proof load tests are conducted by the manufacturer, showing the safety factor of the equipment. A safety factor, also known as a factor of safety, is a ratio that indicates how much stronger a system is than it needs to be for a given load. Proper use of equipment is crucial. Use the appropriate rigging gear for the specific lifting operation. Follow manufacturer guidelines for the safe use of all equipment. Securing the load is essential. Ensure that the load is securely attached to the lifting device. Use the proper hitching method, such as vertical, choker, or basket hitch, as required. Communication is key. Establish clear communication protocols among all team members. Use hand signals, radios, or other communication tools effectively. A dedicated flagman should be assigned, wearing a high-visibility vest. Implementing these safety measures helps ensure that rigging and lifting operations are performed safely and efficiently. Like, share, and subscribe for more HSE-related videos.